In this video, I'm going to walk you through the common reasons why your Toyota won't start and how to fix them. Whether it's completely dead or just clicking when you turn the key, let's break it down. Start by checking the battery. If your headlights are dim or not working at all, the battery might be drained. Try jump-starting the car. If it starts, you likely need a new battery or your alternator isn't charging it properly. Next, listen for a clicking sound. If you hear it, your starter could be the issue. Tap the starter lightly with a wrench while someone turns the key. This might get it going temporarily. If your engine cranks but doesn't fire up, check for fuel. A clogged fuel filter or faulty fuel pump can block fuel from reaching the engine. Also, check if the key fob battery is dead or if the car's immobilizer system is malfunctioning. It might not be recognizing your key. If all else fails, have a mechanic scan for error codes. If this video helped you figure out why your Toyota won't start, hit like and subscribe for more helpful car tips. Thanks for watching.